nó lòng bạc nhầm ý nè cũng nè mà nó bờ xem này xem hấp nó xem u hả nó xem ni balem nó babit si dere babit là đây network 5G lại man ada network 5G ni sim lahir su pap la simkhar ki sim ibala jando jan hari kasiru la lap stang jaka tas caka kendong warne caka basa mangiru la duna hani sim tada la train network 5G ta ni sim la shu bait madai bait madai ki sim la train network 5G pen plate have one ni mah plate ketin ini sim bam na plate ski macam plate kanya dah maang kanya melaang ani la train network 5G sha la train network 5G ki sim la bait hi you akam gini kena bareng video ki you akam ki ong bani sim lab kyrthat amadan te na ka e ka daw kyrthat na try ka daw ka laban david network 5G ka tarai na masne sa basa ngi network 5G ang bait ka ang balap na madan kyrthat
con spar lệ ở các chấm kem này
ta ka mala bam
đã con spar tua đây các
ni
chấm
la pap na ni sim kum em shu na rajum ta beto ai kharu shile arki US Island go simkhar bam tu bam kwa ki ni tim I'm really sad to say that these people, these children, they found this bird here in my house. They told me that this bird just lying down by itself. The bird is in faint, collapsing. It is no longer flying. That is why they saw this bird and then they took it away. Now the bird is with me. I am giving her, I am feeding her, but then the bird won't eat. I think most probably it is because of a 5G network. Because nowadays the numbers of these birds, it is decreasing. Really sad to see such thing happen. Now you can see this bird won't survive. I think the bird will not survive. The bird look very tired. It won't eat anything. It won't drink water also. I gave water but then it won't drink. Now this is very sad moment for this bird. You can see the bird is in very tired condition.